It was really good, people. Welcome back to this back at me. This is the same car, the one that I was working on the door that I couldn't open. Couldn't open. This is a 1987 BMW 325i. In this case, in this case, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on brake switches. Okay, if you have your car that none of the brake lights work, at all, you're probably gonna go check the fuses, right? The fuse box. Some cars don't have a fuse for the brakes. Some others do. In this case, this 87 BMW 325i doesn't have a fuse. Okay, and when they don't have a fuse, they have a switch. All the cars have a switch, brake switch. And that would be the reason why. This is the reason why none of the brake lights work. Okay. So what happened is that this thing goes up and down, right? It goes up when you press the brake, and it goes down when you release the brake. When you press the brake, you see this point right here. When you press the brake, this thing kind of like a break the connection, or make a connection, complete the circuit, and that's when you get your brake lights on. But when you step on it, it killed the connection, and that's when you don't have brakes. Know what I'm saying? So these guys go bad. All right. And when they go bad, you gotta replace them. The way you put it on is like they will come like this, like this. But the way it should be is like most of the way out, this guy, and this too. Okay. So when you put it in, there's a slot right here. This is where you put it in here, right above the brake pedal. Right here, there's a slot where this thing go in. Okay, this is the connector right here. So the way you put it in is make sure it is all the way out. You put it in. Make sure you press on the brake pedal with a stick. Put a stick here that hold the brake pedal down. Know what I'm saying? All the way. All right. And that's when you put in the switch. Then you release it, and automatically this thing is gonna adjust. Like so. You see that? So if it is this low, this is gonna be like the limit, right? So it's gonna lock in there, and that's gonna be the new limit. Know what I'm saying, or you go all the way down. That's the new limit. So it adjusts itself. All right. Guys. Okay, guys, and this is how the brake switch work. All right. Hope you like the tutorial. If you have any questions, just put in the comment box. Shout out to the subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. Get your subscription. It's for free. All right. Highlight your boys. Me as tu, Burum, clacking out. Yeah.